Have you ever opened your Pocketguard app only to find your account has been restricted? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're trying to manage your finances. In this video, we'll dive into the common reasons why your Pocketguard account might be restricted and what you can do about it. So, why is my Pocketguard account restricted? Well, there are a few potential culprits. Let's break them down. 1. Unusual activity. Suspicious transactions. If Pocketguard detects unusual or suspicious transactions in your account, it might flag it for review. This could be due to a sudden increase in spending, unusual purchase patterns, or transactions from unfamiliar locations. Multiple logins. Logging into your account from multiple devices or locations within a short period can also trigger a restriction. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access. 2. Account verification issues. Incomplete information. If you haven't provided all the necessary information during the account creation process, your account might be restricted. This could include missing personal details or incomplete bank account information. Verification failures. Pocketguard might require you to verify your identity or bank account. If you haven't completed these verification steps, your account may be temporarily restricted. 3. Terms of service violation. Policy breaches. If you've violated Pocketguard's terms of service, your account could be restricted. This could include sharing your account information with others, using the app for fraudulent purposes, or engaging in harmful activities. What can you do if your account is restricted? Don't panic. There are steps you can take to resolve the issue. Review your account. Check your account for any unusual activity or missing information. Contact Pocketguard support. Reach out to Pocketguard's customer support team for assistance. They can help you understand the reason for the restriction and provide guidance on how to resolve it. Provide required information. If you're missing any information, provide it to Pocketguard as soon as possible. Verify your identity. Complete any necessary verification steps to confirm your identity and prevent unauthorized access. Additional tips. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account activity to ensure there are no unusual transactions or unauthorized access. Enable two-factor authentication. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Review Pocketguard's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Pocketguard's terms of service to avoid any violations. Having your Pocketguard account restricted can be frustrating, but by understanding the common reasons and taking the necessary steps, you can resolve the issue and regain access to your financial management tool. Remember to review your account regularly, monitor for unusual activity, and communicate with Pocketguard's support team if you encounter any problems. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.